Young money.
En mí.
Hey yo, Breezy, drop that heat.
Let's go.
Yo, it's your boy Breezy and me.
Weezy F, natural bird baby. PRPs, SBs, matching shirt maker. White tee, neck V, glasses are Versace. Married to the mob, but I'm a bachelor baby. Love is in the air, I put on the gas mask. I'd rather be head first than ass last. I'm a gorilla, call me Sasquatch. And I keep my army with me like MASH. Light up the perk, pass it like Steve Nash. Bitch, I'm so hot, I get your ass a heat rash. Young money, boy, I'm on 03 cash. Such a CEO like my homie D-Dash. Yes, we mash like Pac and the Outlaws. And we stand up and try not to downfall. Try to reach my goal like a round ball. Freddie will do anything for the crown, y'all. Go.
Holding back the steam, and little for magazine. Dapper Dawn, Kappa Queens, mixed in with Cassius cream. Started off with half a dream, developed into what you see. Telling ain't my cup of tea, can't tell I'm a fucking G. I'm a automatic, when I'm mad it start static. And you splattered, shit shattered. I'm a walking bitch magnet. Spit it high, live it, always to the limit. And I'm always on my pivot for my digits.
To the cops. Me, I'm from the street. We ain't nothing sweet. The home of the homies, there's a body every week. Now I don't hear the sirens, but they probably on the creek. Plotting to pull me over, planter in my Jeep. So I be skipping cities, 7 states in a week. For the wolves, follow rules, don't get moved by the tools. Butter ooze on your shoes, wait, control your hate. You ain't riding them sixes. Why? Cause you spending on them bitches.
Crazy, let's face it, shit basically they just playing sick, they ain't shit, they ain't saying shit, spraying A to the K, get in the way, I bring Dre and them with me and turn this day into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this Uzi and just shoot through you with Zuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know it's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know do you. Take some big and some pop and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little bit yellow top, what the fuck did you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernauts of this rap shit, like it or not. It's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this, nothing like surviving a shot. Y'all know what time it is, soon as these signs on this dot. Shit, what you know about death threats, cause I get a lot. Shady Records was 80 seconds away from the towers. Them cowards fuck with the wrong building, they meant to hit ours. Better evacuate all children, nuclear showers, it's nothing spookier. You're now about to witness the power.
and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. You ready for the next episode?
Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Sup, Snoop?
Top dog, buy them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cuz homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up, Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in there.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. You ready for the next episode? It's the one and only D.R.E.
Dr. Dre, Love Buster.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off them killer streets of C50. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Wood, the field rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop. What? Dream Snoop hitting corners in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping on the amps, dipping through hood. Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, it's California bug. Got your boy bring a pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club with my jeans on and my team strong. Get my drink on and my smoke on, then go home with something to poke on. Locust song for the 2 triple O. Coming real, it's the next episode.